Okay, pupils, we are on this Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 38. So we are on Unit 4, Cool Jobs. So Lesson 1, Vocab. Activity 1, look and read. Choose the correct words and write them on the lines. There is one example. So number 1, this means you are out of danger. So it's safe. And then number 2, someone who makes sick animals better as a job. So this is vet. Okay, another note I want to emphasize is this. So the vet basically is same as veterinarian. So it is very different from this veteran. So maybe they look similar, but the meaning for both these words are different. So you will need to take note on this one. So because maybe next time you will see this vocab here. And then number 3, a place where some people study after they finish school. So basically maybe they are after their high school, or in Malaysia Form 5, so they will go to a place called university. So this is university. And then number 4, this describes something that makes you feel important or useful. So this is rewarding. And number 5, this describes an activity which is difficult but interesting and enjoyable. So this is challenging. So challenging, CHALL, and then NENGING. Number 6, someone who flies a plane as a job. So this is pilot. Number 7, intelligent and good at learning things. So this is clever. Number 8, someone who looks after a garden as a job. So this is gardener. So pilot we have gardener. So gardener is ER, not OR. So gardener. And number 9, this describes someone who is active and full of energy. So this is energetic. ETIC. Energetic. And then number 10, liking something and wanting to learn more about it. So finally we have last this one. So left, interested in. The activity 2, complete the text with the words from activity 1. So there are around 9 blank spaces for you to fill in. So gardener already used up. So let's take a look. My name is Sarah Button, and I work at the same adventure safari park as Derek Chatham. So he's the gardener here and cuts the tall plants. I'm a, and I work with the animals. So I'm a vet. I'm a vet and I work with the animals. Before I study at, so this is a place, so university. Before I studied at university, I wanted to be and fly planes. So this is pilot. You need to be to do both jobs, but I'm happy that I choose this job. So you need to be. So this is clever. You need to be clever to do both jobs, and I'm happy that I choose this job. It can be difficult sometimes. Looking after lions is more. So number 6. Than cats or rabbits. So this is more challenging. CHALL and then ENGING. It's more challenging than cats or rabbits, but it's also a very rewarding. Job. It feels good to help sick animals and keep them. So this is number 8 is safe. 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 I'm very, so this is wildlife, very interested in. I'm very interested in wildlife, but I sometimes do more energetic activities like karate. So energetic. So that's it. So we are on Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 38. We are on Unit 4. Thank you. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here, and then you can watch the related content here, and then you can also join my Telegram robot here below. Below there's a link. You can click it, and then you can join.